There are many ways to get started with the Promethean ActivSuite Whiteboard. Templates are a great way to get started if you need inspiration for a great lesson by building upon an already created idea. You can also start with an infinite blank canvas and create your own masterpiece. The whiteboard has all the familiar tools you need for a quick start, like the pen, highlighter, shapes, paint bucket, and text. But there are many more tools to ensure you have everything you need in one place. You can enhance your lessons easily by adding sticky notes, clip art, audio, or video. On your ActivPanel 10, you can use other Promethean ActivSuite apps like the Spinner, Timer, Annotate, or Screen Share Receiver with the whiteboard. Don't know exactly what you're looking for? Search for images with Unsplash or Giphy from the whiteboard. There are many ways to customize your whiteboard to suit your preferences, and many other tools waiting for you to explore all that the Promethean ActivSuite Whiteboard has to offer.